Okay, music is up. All right, good. Okay, hey everyone, how's it going? It's me, your favorite bad luck charm. Wait, no, sorry. Your resident bad luck charm, your favorite Hitman Birdman, Soma Saika. Hello, how's it going? Hello everybody. Hi Bree. Hello Seal. Hello Shifan. Hi. Alright, so as you know, starting this week, I'm gonna be doing a strict schedule of half gaming streams, half community building / solo streams. So I will be playing, no, sorry, I'm not playing anything actually today for the second half of this week. As you guys know, my schedule will be consisting of half gaming again at the very start of the week on Monday and Wednesday, or it really depends. I could switch out like Tuesday and Wednesday for something. But either way, like I'm doing 2 streams at the start of this week. And then for Thursday and Friday, I'll be doing like community stuff or like just straight up like just, you know, solo time, you know, me and you guys, right? And working and stuff. So for today's topic of coding this week, I will be doing HTML and CSS to code my own website on NeoCities. It is a free to use website host that anyone can use, and my friend Ovalie, actually, you saw her yesterday's stream if you guys didn't see that one yet. Yeah, so Ovalie actually told me to check this website out because there's a lot of different VTubers that have made their own websites. So we're gonna go take a look at some tutorials today at the start of the stream, and also look at a few examples that my friend had given me. So without further ado, doinky yoinky sploinky, let's get started, shall we? All right, so I just want to like break down. Before we start, actually, let's preface this first. I do have an HTML and CSS background, and along with JavaScript and I believe React Web Framework. So I'm not a stranger to using web dev programming. Like I graduated literally for web dev programming. Did I pay attention to class? I mean, probably not. I did not pay attention to class. That's probably a bad idea. But it's too late for that now. Might as well apply it to something that I'll actually use, right? So yeah. Anyways. But yeah, so let's get started, shall we? All right, let's look at some examples right now. So my friend gave me about 3 examples, starting with this one. This VTuber I've never heard of before. Their name is, I don't know, it's noanswer.neocities.org. So it's a really interesting website. Yeah. Not paying attention to the class is real. Yeah. So yeah, NeoCities, if you guys don't know, essentially is a website host, free to use website host, and it's based on like a lot of the websites in this website hosting service are all based on like small indie internet type like websites, you know, like the more personalized websites before like corporate had like turned everything into like simplified, very minimalistic websites, right? So it's a lot more indie, it's a lot more how do I say this? A lot more personalized, a lot more personal. So that's why I wanted to do something like this, because I think it fits the theme of the time traveling aesthetic. I was thinking of like the you guys know freaking Steins Gate, or like that type of aesthetic where time travel is like using like really retro computers. Yeah, I was thinking about that. So I was thinking, okay, hey, that would be a great website, like that would be a great way to code my website in, because, you know, like it's gonna be really cool and awesome and stuff, and you guys get to probably see me do spaghetti code on my on the whole stream. So I will be trying to yeah. So this is one. This person's name is Clavio. Really cool and interesting. Yeah, this is a really cool and interesting website. This is like a guest list. You could post like your own message here. So yeah, this is really cool. I like this website. It's really nice. Okay, now let's look at this one, Alice Horror Show. It's another VTuber that Ovalie mentioned. And this one's a lot more feels more complete. Really interesting. It feels like early 2000s. There's a lot of like eyes here though. Kind of creeps me out. Oh, that's cute. Wait, this is so cute. What the hell? See, so she does throne doodles, sketches. Oh my god, my phone fell. What the fuck? My camera fell. Sorry, my camera, not my phone. I totally didn't say. Yeah, I'm real. I'm a real VTuber. Yeah, this is cute. Wait, hold on. Schedules. Oh wait, she posts her schedules here. That's sick. Oh my god, wait, that's such a good idea. OBS layouts. Oh, that's sick! Oh my god, wait. So she really delved deep into like the retro feel, and like she has a lot of horror movies too. That's really funny. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, what the hell? Art with Hogs. I think that's like her. I think this is like her fan name. Oh, that's cute. So she does like community sketches and stuff. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Holy shit. Works made under divine influence. That's crazy. Oh, that's nice. It reminds me of like early 2000s internet, you know, with like the anime fans being so edgy and shit. Oh, there's even wait, so guest lists are like a normal thing here. Okay, cool. Stream games. Okay. Oh, she even posts like reviews. Wait, that's so sick. Yeah, so like each of the games that she's played, she puts like a number of stars, and then she like writes a comment on it. Oh, that's so cool. What? Oh, that's really detailed. Holy shit. Oh my god, she's played so much. She's played so many. Let's see. Oh, and then people had made like fan games of her. Alice.exe is, oh my god. Yeah, this person is not new to HTML. Holy fuck, that's so cool. And then we could check out her Twitch too. Oh, that's a nice banner. Holy shit. Oh yeah, I saw this starting soon screen. She has like this thing where like this is like her starting soon or whatever. This is freaking scary, man. Oh, holy fuck. It's really, really unhinged. But yeah, so yeah, that was Alice. And this is Mishi Molly. This one's my most favorite one, actually. Yeah. It's not horror based, right? But like it's very like retro. How do I say? Yeah, it's very retro. And oh wait, what? You could click on the fucking, oh, that's sick. Wait, hold on. Molly Secret Files? Oh, dude, the Windows XP like taskbar, or like the Windows 97 taskbar. Like you can click on each of these and then like it'll take you to like a certain page. Oh, that's sick. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cool. And then you could like, oh, Windows XP. That's not even Windows XP, it's Windows 97. Holy shit. Let's see. She has like her subscriber name, the fan name. She has like an Oshi Mark. She has like art tags and shit. Oh, that's so cool. What the fuck? Man, I don't know how I'm gonna make my own. Like, oh man. Okay. So, yeah, she has her own Discord server, VODs, Twitter, Twitch, her art. Her art's on a separate page. I was thinking, oh wow, wait, it's a whole separate page. Okay. Oh, that's some nice art. Damn. Yeah, her Twitter over here as well. Let's go follow her, actually. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so... I like this. Wait, what the fuck? Hold on. Check this out, guys. It's really retro. Yeah, it's really retro. That's really nice. I like that. Most of her tweets are just like... are just her in like very liminal spaces and like... Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. What the fuck? I love that. These are really cool. Holy shit. These are probably images. No, wait, they're not images. They're text. What the fuck? Holy shit. How does she do that? How does she do that? Wait, what? How do you do that? Wait, what? Oh my god. Alright, cool. Okay, is that Yukari from Toho? Holy shit. Or like, maybe like a similar vein. That's really cool. I like the big skirt with the big like umbrella. It really reminds me of Toho. Yeah, that's really sick. I love that. Oh my god, this person's so cool. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wait, is that? Oh, it's my friend. Wait. That's my friend Bug. What the fuck? Wait. Yeah. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, wait. That's my friend. Right here. The one in like the blue hair with like the cat ears. Yeah. That's my friend. What the fuck? What the hell? Small world, I guess. Damn. Damn, she drew a lot. Oh my god. Alright, cool. Alright, let's lock in. Alright, so I have a couple ideas now. But the only thing is, I don't know how to like exactly start because the built-in website editor kind of has like it's not exactly the best. So let's go look up a couple tutorials here and then like, you know, we'll get started, I guess. So yeah, let's do this.
Hello everybody. My name is Monty Plier. And welcome back to Five Nights at Trying. When you start with brackets, let's say you're opening up for the first time, what you want to do is open file and then press open folder.
Do I have Dreamweaver still? I wonder.
It's already in the folder that I need, my website, so then I can get to all the other folders that are in there whenever I need them.
I mean, I could just download the website. Or I could just download all the files here. Hold on. Let's go back. So this is what my dashboard looks like, right? The only issue is I don't exactly know how this is gonna work. Mount your site as a drive on your computer. Oh, what? Oh, this requires a supporter account. Fuck, man. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's do allowed file types. Let's see. Currently allowed file types: HTML, image, .jpeg, .png, .gif, .svg, .ico, markdown, .md, .markdown, JavaScript. Oh, I could do JavaScript and XML. Holy fuck! I could actually use the stuff that I learned in college that I probably paid attention to. I should have paid attention more. Fuck. Okay. What are restrained file tags? File types. Let's see. Sustainability. Yeah, what's up, Zujawa? Oh, that's sick. Is there a way to remove the whitelist for your file uploads so you can upload anything you want, except illegal and copyrighted content, of course? Become supported and reduce the file dumpers, which makes it a lot safer for us to allow file uploads of any kind. Okay, yeah, so this should be enough. What framework are you going to use? Oh, I'm using HTML. The website hosting service I'm going to use is NeoCities, only because I love the aesthetic that like everyone posts on that website. So yeah, I'm just trying to start up right now. But yeah, how are you doing? Or Jawa, I guess. Yeah. Welcome in. Let's see. Why are there restricted file types? Okay. Okay, so I can't post .mp3. That's unfortunate. The only thing is I have to become a supporter, but I don't have $5 right now. My bank account's on the negative because I bought freaking Dune Dune Awakening. So I'm actually on the negative by like $8 right now. So yeah, that's unfortunate. But like yeah, so apparently I need $5 to be able to upload MP3 and MP4s. But like it's not like that's really gonna bother me that much because .gifs and .jpegs and PNGs are like perfectly fine to like upload. And then there's .markdown, .md, JavaScript, CSS, you know, all the important stuff is already allowed. So I think I'm perfectly fine, right? You know, I think I'm perfectly good. Let's see. Let's see what I got here. All right, let's go back to that tutorial.
Open up the folder, then we can start. So, be called index.html.
I mean, I could just, okay, hold on. What I could do, yeah, with JavaScript you could do almost anything. Yeah, I mean, of course, yeah. But it's like, I wonder what the limitations are with NeoCities. I'm gonna have to like relearn everything that I like learned in school. So yeah. All right, cool. Let's get started. I think is Dreamweaver oh my god, it is. Hold on. Holy shit. This might dox me. Give me a sec. I'm just gonna turn on Dreamweaver for a sec and then like see if like there's any hold on. New site? NeoCities website. Oh yeah, that definitely is not stream friendly. Hold on. It's stuff regarding my school. Okay, so hold on. That is definitely, I'm not showing that on stream. Okay. NeoCities website. Select folder. Save. The old school is genuinely fine. Yeah, exactly. Yo, what's up, Remy? How's it going, bro? Alright. Let me go ahead and download the NeoCities, like, the whole website, pretty much, from my dashboard, and then we could start. Yeah. I wonder how I can achieve that aesthetic though. The aesthetic that like NeoCities has, or like most of the websites have. I'm probably gonna learn it as I go, but like, you know, I want to get something like that, you know. Still sick, still improving. Damn, dude. Hope you're doing good, man. Okay, hold on. I'm just opening up the stuff right now. And all right, cool. I got it. Nice. Okay, good. All right. Let's see. Site. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if I still remember how to how to use freaking Dreamweaver. I haven't used this in like 4 months or so. Probably even longer. Yeah, no, because I haven't used this since like spring. No, fall of last year. So I am like I'm trying to find like I'm more used to using Dreamweaver, which is why I'm picking Dreamweaver. But like obviously there's better alternatives. It's just that, you know, like I just like the live editing and shit. Let's see. Where is Oh, fuck. I'm such an idiot. It's literally right here. All right, cool. Okay, split view. Good. Robots. Okay, style sheet is right here. Okay, good. All right, let's get this rolling. All right, let's actually make this smaller. Using a Y is kind of a design choice in itself on this side of the web. That's true, yeah. All right, so just before we start, I'm gonna just do a little refresher by watching this tutorial and seeing what she does, and then like I'm gonna get started.
On NeoCities, you cannot delete it, you cannot move it anywhere, because that is what the homepage for any
How old is this video, anyways?
So like when you go on money
2 years ago. Okay.
it
Wait,
doesn't
that's
say
recent.
/index, but if you do put it in there, it's the same thing. It's the homepage. So if you are making a homepage right now, you will have to call it index.html. But if it's anything else, it can be about.html. As long as it ends with .html.
Posture check. I just started streaming.
Now,
haven't seen you in a couple years, man. How are you doing?
Now, to start with the actual file itself. Well, we'll have to start with the HTML tag. HTML is pretty much made up of.
Okay, yeah, that's.
We go to the style tag. Style is.
Gucci, how about you? Trying to code a website. I'm just looking up a tutorial right now, just to make sure.
Sheets. The basis of any website is HTML and CSS, and sometimes JavaScript. I am not going to teach JavaScript in this one.
I fucking love. I fucking love and hate JavaScript. By the way, for the record,
this is where the skeleton of things happen. I'll try my
it's a train wreck, I'd say.
Show how it works. Hold on for a minute.
Oh, yep. I see this now. Yep. I remember how this. Oh, belated congrats on graduation. Thank you. Oh shit, I remember this. Oh god, I remember this shit. Oh no, wait. Okay. So why did I think this is a good idea?
Tag is obviously where the body is. That's where they go around. They wrap around whatever you would like them to embolden. File though, local file meaning on my computer. Now we can close this first div because we're done looking at it. Now we can look at the second div. So it's just another paragraph tag.
What kind of website are you working on? Okay, so it's gonna be for myself, essentially. Yeah. It's gonna be my own personal website for VTubing.
But I wanted any pictures.
And I could put it on my portfolio, so I mean,
and
yeah.
It just sucks. Let's start from. But basically, in here, you're just trying different attributes. So for the HTML tag, which again, it encompasses the entire page. Everything that you see from this point corner to this point corner, that's the entire HTML tag that we're looking at.
Interesting. Okay. Just a very basic. Oh, you're front end dev? I
like to think of.
So I aim to be a full stack. Front end is such a difficult ass thing, especially because I barely have any art skills. So I hope to be back end dev. The only thing I'm good at regarding front end is like layouts and shit. But like I need inspiration. I need heavy inspiration or else I'm not gonna have any ideas. Yeah.
Of it as advanced PowerPoint. Maybe if PowerPoint and Photoshop had a baby and it pursued web development.
Oh shit, wait. Oh yeah, wait. My friend actually recommended me this person as well to watch.
Years, and I ended up with something like this.
Yeah, Char. I've seen this website before. It's actually so cool. Okay, check this out, guys. I mean, this is not NeoCities, I think, but like, it's really cool how she does like. It's really cute. I like it. There's even sound effects too, with like. It's really cool. Yeah, there's even sound effects. I might actually implement something like this for my website when I finally get it going. This, by the way, guys, this is gonna be a recurring series. It's just that I'm gonna be. Oh, thank goodness, there's a dark mode. Oh my god. Is she using Pro.js or Pure.js or framework? I'm not sure. I am not sure. This is the video though, if you guys want to check it out. She probably used Pure.js. Probably. I'd say probably, but like inspect element. Okay, yeah, sure, let's check. Let's see. I don't think I learned. I probably did. Next.js. At least I see next in here in JS. So, huh? Interesting. Yeah. I believe, yeah, it's... Yeah, seems likely that it's Next.js. Yeah, interesting. Damn, I'm still a newbie, though. You know? So, like, I have a lot of homework to do regarding this. Alright, so... What if I, like, came up with, like, a mock, structure first before we start? Hold on, let me... give me a sec. I'm gonna turn off my display capture for a second. Hold on, give me a sec. I just needed to turn on Photoshop real quick. I think I want to make my own layout first before we start. Alright, so sorry, I just needed to like Alright, so how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna devise this website that I wanna create? First things first. Let's go ahead and hold on, sorry. Alright, cool. So let's say, okay, let's make it like really dark. Okay, let's make it really dark. Not really dark, but like main colors would probably be my color aesthetic would my color aesthetic's like black, red, lots of yellows. So black, red, and yellow, maybe. Yeah, actually, why not just like hold on. Let me go also pull out my ref sheet real quick. Yeah, let's pull out my new ref sheet. Yeah. So if you guys haven't seen it yet on Twitter, I actually finally got a new ref sheet. And I'm totally not gonna use, totally, air quotes. I'm totally not gonna use this for anything in particular. You guys will see in the next coming months. Probably like next month or so. Probably on my birthday, I'm not really sure. Honestly, I might get impatient. Might be next month. So, yeah. You guys will probably be seeing more of this in the future, but you know, just leave it in the back burner for now. Alright, cool. Losing a dimension? No, probably keeping the same dimensions. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I'm not gonna say anything else. Trust me. Yeah, I'm not gonna be saying anything further. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. Gaining dimensions. Imagine being a 4-dimensional VTuber. That would be fucking funny. Alright. Soma in 5D. Oh my god. Alright, so. So the index page would probably be... Okay, so the general website. Honestly, wait. I want to look at other websites first. Just to get an idea. Oh, wait, what the fuck is this? Wait, I haven't seen this before. Holy shit. Damn, wait, this looks clean. It's... Oh, he even has, like... Yeah, this guy has, like, sound effects on it. Okay, interesting. Oh, that's really loud. What the hell? Oh, that's interesting. It even has like the whole like thing over here with like the little banner things. I don't know how people do that. I'm gonna have to find out later. Be careful for copyrighted music. Oh yeah, of course. I saw that like yeah. I'm gonna be careful with that. I might use the I have a couple like fan-made tracks of me that like a fan made a couple years ago that I'm probably gonna use for this one if I ever you know, do it. Oh wait, latest 774 streams. Oh shit, interesting. Philian VTuber wiki. Oh my god, what the hell? That's a lot of text. Wow, someone really made a full wiki site on the freaking on NeoCities. What the hell? That's interesting. VTubers on NeoCities. Oh wow. Okay, so they just like listed a lot of VTubers here. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I don't know how people come up with like the retro style like. Oh my god, freaking Amelia Watson. Oh, that's nice. This is smooth. What the hell? Wait. What is this? Net Cafe? Wait, that's clean. What the hell? Oh, that's nice. Oh, wait! Oh, you know this person! I've seen this person like 5 years ago. Holy fuck. Wait. Oh. Is it just gone? Like, is there literally nothing else in there? Oh, damn. That's crazy. These are some really interesting websites, man. Very old school. Yeah, no, this one was the one that I like really. Maybe just the intro page. That's true. This one really like made me interested. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, I like this one. It's very minimalist, but like at the same time, it like it has its own like charm to it, you know. And also, you guys might be wondering, like, why can't I just like use like a website editor? Well, I wanted to strengthen my HTML muscles, and like, you know, it feels better if I were to code it myself rather than like, you know, using like Wix.com or whatever. I feel like I'd feel a lot more of a an accomplishment like writing up the whole. What the fuck? She fine. What the fuck? Thank you so much for the $6. Holy shit. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you so much for the $6. Appreciate it. Oh my god, what the fuck? Also wonder if you'll ever come across my site button. A my site button? That's crazy. Wait, Lucky Tiger webpage. Yo! Wait, hold on. Wait. This might be one of the best ones yet. Wait, what the fuck? Yo! Wait! This looks clean! What the fuck? Wait, guys! Look at this! Holy shit! If you want to do pure web pages, most of them use some JS framework and not pure HTML. Thank you. At the moment, I just want to try NeoCities, especially because again, like the aesthetic. But yeah, it would be nice for me to also study up on framework as well. Yeah. Yo, what's up for coders? I am making my own website, but right now I'm just looking up ideas right now before I start coding. Yeah. I just wanted to get started with just using. Yeah. And that's another thing, Remy. Yeah. No. I'm using pure HTML and CSS. And some JavaScript probably. But like, I don't know about JavaScript for this stream. I'll probably, yeah, so okay guys, so this is the plan with this website. I am going to be using it. I'm going to try to at least get the framework ready. Like, you know, get like the pages set, you know, or at least like get the pages that I'm like thinking of and looking for. And then come up with like a small like mock-up design of like how the homepage is going to be. That's my objective for this stream. I'm thinking of doing more yeah, so I'm thinking of doing a how do I say this? I'm gonna be thinking of doing like, how do I say this? Doing more than one part for this stream. So I'm probably, most likely, I'm not gonna do it next week because I have a different objective for next week for coding. So I'm gonna actually be, yeah, so I might do like every other week. I might come back to this website or come back to my own website and then like start coding a bit more and expanding on it until I come up with something that, like, you know, that I'm completely satisfied with, right? And then I can move on to like the next project. However, if you guys are wondering what I'm doing next week, I'll be doing a Minecraft data packs learning stream because I could do that for work as well. So yeah. So I'm gonna learn how to do Minecraft data packs because apparently, from what I've heard, I have to learn a fucking Mulang, which is like Mojang's own like specific coding language specifically for Minecraft. That's a modification of Java. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. A couple of my friends have tried and they did not like it, so I'm gonna try to see if I can do it myself, and we'll see. Money's low-key easier than doing data packs. Yeah, that's the thing, but like, I don't know, my boss wanted my boss Ethobot needed something that's like related to, or that's something more vanilla related rather than like just pure mods. So I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to learn data packs and shit. So yeah, might as well. I mean, like, if people wanted me to code data packs for them, it would be nice, and I can also then code data packs for like my own SMPs if I ever host another one, right? So yeah. That's gonna be interesting. All right, anyways, let's get back to work. All right, so this one's really interesting. I love this layout. Who else do we have? Yeah. This one looks really old school. That's... Oh, what's this? Wait. What's this one? Oh, this one's nice. But how does this work? Okay, this one's probably a GIF. Wait, let's do inspect element. Music player starts here. There's a music player? I didn't even know that. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. I mean, there's literally no NeoCities, like, part over here. So that means they're supporters. So they have a custom domain. Earthbound. Oh, it is a GIF. Okay. Yeah. It is a GIF. Yeah, the alt text is right here. Interesting. That's the footer? Wait, what the fuck? Oh, yeah, there it is. It's the music player. Yeah. Just trying to see if I can get some ideas. Okay. The milk. Yeah, so VTuber logo. Yeah, Interesting. This is really nice. And then there's a JavaScript script here. Oh, okay. Sick. How does Lucky Tiger's website work? I really like this one, by the way. I like this one. This one really gives me nostalgia, bro. Yeah, this one gives me a lot of nostalgia. Yeah, I really like this one. It's really nice. Let me go find their YouTube and Twitch. How come nobody... Wait. How big's their Twitch? This person's not that well known. What the fuck? There's no way. No, this person's oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to follow them. I need to follow them later. My freaking Twitch When did you stream? Let me see. Oh, 2 years ago? Wait. Oh, she doesn't stream anymore? Oh, damn, dude. That's crazy. Oh, man. I mean, she's well known on...
Layer the back rooms, please.
Oh, but she's still active on Twitter. Okay. Yeah. Let me follow this person. They're really cool. I like their website. Oh, this is like a different host. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, this is a different hosting service. Maybe move to YouTube. Oh my god, this is spacehey.com. Yohi Izumi. Interesting. Oh my god, the fucking the conveyor belt looking image thing. Yeah, that's funny. I like that. Alright, cool. There's a lot more over here. What was that website that overly... Really? It's an old school MySpace clone-esque site? That's crazy. Really going in for the retro, man. Oh my god. But you know, I wanted to go for NeoCity since it, like, it's really yeah, this one like really gets me. Like this one stands out, by the way. The one from earlier. Oh wait, we already had this pulled up. This one, and then this one as well. Yeah, these three. Like, oh man, how do I? I'm trying to think, cause like, how would a like? I'm trying to think of like, how I'm gonna do this. So Soma is a time traveling hitman. You know, he. I just put you on my TV. Want to scare my neighbors? There you go. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. I got another one. Penis! Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I have a couple ideas. The only issue is that jump scared my cats. I'm sorry. Oh man. All right. So, anyways, let's stop slacking off. I'm getting pretty distracted. To be fair, I mean this is a just chatting stream technically. It's just me coding on the side. So like, if I don't get anything done, well, shit, you know. You know? Oh my god, wait, this guy looks sick. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, V-word models. Interesting. Wait. Oh, wait, that was part of this. Oh, it didn't open up a tab. What the fuck? Resources, various assets, my assets, videos. Interesting. This one's way different from the others. Huh. I like that. That was nice. Let's go back to Sufinkas. Because, like, there has to be something here that... You know, let's just do... Okay, guys. It's gonna hurt your eyes. I'm sorry. But, like, I'm really curious if there's any Easter eggs on this website. Oh, there's literally no Easter eggs on this website. It's just full of breaks. That's crazy. She made me look. Oh my god. What the fuck? Why is Mokoko and Fuala here? Wait a minute. I've seen this type of thing before. Hold on. Wait. I just forgot what it's called. Wait. The fucking section thing. Wait. No, like, I forgot what it's called, but like, I've seen this before. Like, it was, damn, what's it called? I mean, like, it's a table, but like, there's like a certain table that they're using. I learned this in web dev. No. There's like a specific. Is there no specific like? I swear, bro. I'm tripping. I think it was like. Oh my god, there's so much Mokoko art here. I have to go to sleep. All right, see you later. See you later, Shifan. Bye bye. Good night. Interesting. Freaking Megitsune. That was a good one, by the way. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so... Oh, they clicked... Okay, so to click it, you get, like, the credits. Okay, that's interesting. Divs in a flex column? Table THTR mixed with CSS. Okay, that's fair. It's like, I've seen... Oh, man. Oh, what's this? There's no layouts, or there's no CSS on this one. It's mostly just, like, plain text. Not plain text, but, like, just... Okay, interesting. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Oh my god. The deeper I go into this website, the more I see. Most followed? Oh wait, how about most updated? Ooh, what's this? Wait. Oh. Twitch. Interesting. Oh my gosh. Wait, she was literally streaming 16 hours ago coding the website. Wait. Wait, yeah, she was literally... Yo, what's up, Zolkrat? Yeah, it is. Dude, wait. She was literally coding this 16 hours ago, bro. Oh my god. Gonna be learning how to code a website through NeoCities, but I'm like getting sidetracked and looking at like everyone else's like websites to get an idea. That's pretty much what's been going on right now. Oh, I like this one actually. Wait, you know, I might go for something like this. I don't know how I feel about the background. I'm thinking like the layout would be similar to this, because I feel like that's how like a Hitman, like an aesthetic for like a Hitman would go, right? Like I was thinking like the about page would be shaped like a dossier, kind of like this actually. Yeah. What is it called? This kind of reminds me of the layout of like, or like the aesthetic of like Papers, Please, if you guys have seen that game. You guys have seen that game, right? Yeah. So it kind of reminds me of this, right? With like the way this website is styled. Placement wise, it feels nicer than the other one. Yeah. So I'm just like, This is not friendly for, okay, yeah, this is not friendly for the, for like different sizes on the website. Interesting. Like, that's fine, that's fine. There's like the sliding like things over here. I got a suggestion. I just asked Copilot to spin in the CSS. That's crazy. Like that blue background one, just so much unused space, a bit too much. Yeah. Yeah, what's your suggestion, Jawa? The thing is, I could just do something in Wix, but like, I don't know, it just doesn't feel fulfilling, you know? I could definitely stretch this content out for like, roughly like 4 weeks or so. Within like the next few months, I could like start coding my own website. And I could do stuff off stream as well. But, yeah, so this could be like a recurring project for me. Cause I do wanna post stuff. So the navigation bar's on the left. I really love the layout of this one. Yeah. No, like the placement of the elements in this one is really nice. Really nicely put. Let's do an inspect element and see what's going on here. Yeah, the nav bar's on the left side. On left where you got a list of options like home make it look like the collection of like documents. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so okay, wait, yeah. You got a good point there. Yeah. I think you're cooking. So maybe like yeah, maybe like over here, right? This is gonna be like the nav bar. Fuck. Yeah, this could be like a nav bar right here. Let's see. Hey, I mean, like if I don't accomplish anything for like 2 hours in this stream, then I could just continue this like next stream or next coding stream. So like, don't worry, don't feel like when I end the stream I didn't do anything, guys, because I will be continuing this hopefully. Because I just want to do like coding streams as well. So like, you know, it's like like a mission board in a fantasy anime. That is true. Hold on. Where's my fucking... Oh, shit. Alright, let's do like a little storyboard here, chat. Alright, so, I could note something down here, like maybe, folders, layout. Yeah, let's do a folders layout here. You're right. Okay. Actually, let's make this centered. Sorry, like it was bugging me. It was bugging me. Okay, hear me out. Okay, fine. That's fine. That's fine. Whatever. Fuck it. We're good. All right. So, actually, no. Wait. Ah, fuck it. That's fine. Okay, cool. Let's see. So it'll be like a folders layout, pages that I need. Let's do, home, lore, guest list. I mean, guest list, that could be a work in progress, so we don't have to worry about that. Schedule, maybe? No, actually, about / dossier. Yeah, I'm thinking of generic ones right now. So, contacts and links. Yeah, you're right. Hold on. I just want to see first. Hold on. Let's see what we got. Actually, no. Most of the links are in the website or web homepage, anyways, right? From what I could notice here. Yeah, like my art, VODs, Twitter, yeah, stuff like that is directly on the website, or like on the homepage. Like a guest book or something. Yeah, so I've noticed that like several of these that I've seen, they have like their own, wait, hold on, what is that? Oh, interesting. Okay, cute. Yeah, so some of them have like this guest list thing where like you could post that you were there on the website. yeah, it's like this. Yeah. So this was really interesting that like they added this. There was like another website that did this too. Huh. The only thing is, I'm definitely the thing that's gonna be really difficult for me is the fact that like some of these people have like game logs. I'm probably not gonna add that in because the game logs is going to like fuck me up, or like the stream log. I could add my embedded like Twitch stream somewhere. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, I could probably add that in. Yeah. Yeah, I could embed my Twitch stream in another way. Oh, yeah. Okay. Stream. Embed. Twitch/YouTube stream. On website. Let's make this a bit thinner actually, so like you could actually like see the website a bit more. I mean, there's more of the website to go around. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. Oh god, that looks cursed. Hold on. The text looks a bit cursed. I would put links in a different place than on the list. That is true. Okay, hold on. Pull this layout, pages. Okay, cool. Maybe old jobs to page with selected clips. Yeah. So hold on. Let's call it dossier. And then like about me as like a parentheses, just so I exactly know what this is. Homepage would probably just like be like, hey, like, you know, I'm your bad luck charm, blah blah blah. What's the goal of your site? It's basically my VTuber site, my VTuber website. It's essentially, you know, help promote my website, keep everything organized on there, because I'm tired of using Card and Wix for everything. I want to have something more personalized, which is gonna take me a long time, right? Because like I'm still trying to like, hell, I'm trying to remember like how to do CSS and HTML for the love of my life, bro. I'm still trying to remember it. So yeah. Photos, layout, pages, home. Okay, dossier, about me, lore, guest list. All right, let's see what we got. Visitors, stream, embed, Twitch. Okay, cool. Skill sets. Experience in... Actually, I could put that in my dossier. Yeah, no. I'll just put that in my dossier. Yeah. Dossier page. Lore. Link to another website. That's not Photoshop, or is it? No. This is just my, like, I'm using Photoshop to like come up with like a layout. Yeah. So this is just like, I'm just doing a mock-up right now of like my layout. Have Copilot or GPT do that for— hell nah. Nah, fuck you and your AI shit. Nah. I ain't doing that. No. I have an idea, guys. Yeah, I actually have an idea. Give me a sec. What if I did this? Where's it? Not yet. Yo, what's up, Endure? I'm currently doing side questing right now. How you doing, by the way? How does this look? Like, the scan lines just make it look better for the sake of the website, you know? I could probably have this, like, spanning throughout the website. As, like, the typical, as, like, the normal, like, website, background. Wait, how are you doing, by the way, Endure? Hope you're doing amazing. I don't mean the layout for, Copilot's oddly creative with it. Yeah, I know, but, like, I still wanna, you know. I still wanna come up with my own. Interesting. Because the thing is, like, I'm also trying to see if I can modify certain, like... Huh, wait. This kind of... Okay, wait. This could hit. Imagine... Okay, wait. I think I should... Okay, with JavaScript, I think I should be able to do, like, an onload type shit. Where I should be able to, on the website loading, I could probably have it so, so maybe, like, the, like, on load, maybe, like, folders will, like, move to the right. Perhaps, like, there's, like, an animation of, like, yeah, of, like, folders moving, like, left to right. Kind of like, hold on. So, like, on like, website load, it would be like this, right? And then it would kind of, like, move like that. I could do that. Something fancy for later. Yeah. All right, let's come up with that mock layout. Let's see. By the way, these are not the final colors. I just want to make this clear with you guys. This is not the final colors. I think it might just be possible with just CSS. Really? Okay, bet. Yeah, no. For the record, by the way, this is not final. Like, I just... You don't need to use JavaScript for that. That could be done with CSS. Okay, bet. Alright. Let's see. Oh no, that was a cough. That was a cough, don't worry. So it would kind of be like this, right? Where like it would be like drop shadows, and then like it'll be like a folder. I'm gonna have to come up with the layout for that. So yeah. So it would be like a folder, dossier type, not dossier. Like that would be how the nav bar would work, right? Each of these would kind of be like a mission log type thing. Let's see. The hell? The hell? Why is Photoshop doing this to me? Oh, shit. Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, wait. Hold on. There you go. I just need to rasterize the layer. Just saw an example of Stack Overflow. Perfectly doable. Okay, bet. Alright. Okay, logo would be there. And then let's do home. And then let's do what was on our list again? Let's see. Fuck, that's the scan lines. Oh, there it is. Okay, be more of a darker. Maybe I could have my logo up here as well, so that's gonna be interesting. Okay. And then for the typical, like, interesting. Interesting. Okay. I could probably add maybe, okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this dead space right here. That's gonna be my main, like, issue. Yeah, even this person, yeah, that's the only thing. I don't know exactly what to add at the very bottom. I could probably just add like a funny emote or something. Yeah, okay, hear me out. What if I just added this? Okay. Imagine I just added this at the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. Like, everything looks cool, and then you just see this shit. With, like, the scan lines over it. Oh my god. And then this links to, like, a random page, I guess. Yeah. Oh, man. Okay. And then each of the pages will have to, so maybe, like, the page would be something like this, right? Where it's like, Yeah, so I was thinking like the yeah, so the info would be like this. Website info, yep, and then maybe the Cataluña's flag. Okay, hear me out. No, these are not the final colors, okay? I was thinking of, like, I just had them in here just because. Like, you know, just so I could differentiate between the between the tabs. Okay, hear me out. I was just planning on doing the fucking Microsoft folder. But does the website play Doom? That is wild. Hear me out. That would be funny. Okay, so yeah, so I'm thinking, right? Hear me out. Well, I keep saying hear me out, guys. Like I have a problem. I'm thinking there could be like a little conveyor belt here. That's fucking crazy. Okay, so I'm thinking this, right? I don't know how people did the thing, so I'm gonna have to like look up how to I'm gonna have to look in inspect element a lot and like see like how do people do this. Like, you guys know that like fucking conveyor belt looking thing, the scrolling text? I want to see if I could do that, and then I could add like some funny lore bits here. Maybe like an Easter egg or whatever. Maybe like saying like cock and ball torture, like like scrolling through like an endless amount of like just cock and ball torture. Like just scrolling through this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get like $5 for that for Konas, but yeah, good idea. That would be funny. Like, yeah, no, Arnie. That would be funny. No, Army, that would be funny. Like, just a random, like, Easter egg on the website. It just embeds fucking Doom. It embeds Doom on the website. And then... like, you'd have to actually find it. People use marquee, but it's not considered to be a good practice by the boring people. Or, yeah, or after a random amount of time, you could, like, open up, like, a fucking Easter egg somewhere on the website, and then you just click it, and then boom, Doom clone. Probably not. I'm gonna have to make a fan game about that, and I don't think I have the time or patience to do that, so I'll probably just, like, have, like, just a clone of Doom. Or just have, like, I don't know, Toho Project be playable or some shit. At 4,000% zoom in, Doom Guy XD. Oh man. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to see the schedule for my coding streams and shit, here. Check this out. I actually have my own schedule for streams and shit. So hold on. Let me just do this ahead. All right, so I will try to come back to Neocities, but like I wanted to prioritize some other shit as well. So, this one, we're gonna do this every Thursday, by the way, coding streams. So, yeah, so we're gonna be doing coding my own website today. Obviously, we're still doing it. Then I'm gonna do Minecraft data packs next week, and I'm gonna learn streamer bot coding, which is C#. So I'm gonna go back to finally like coding back in C#. So if you guys don't know, StreamerBot is what I use to process everything from like my events, my redeems, all the commands, like all of that shit. I mean, I had to use like a pre-made like Nutty, this YouTuber named Nutty actually made like pre-made commands. So I'm gonna try to make my own commands next week. So that's next week. So that's gonna be fun. And then after that, we're gonna also oh god. May I start working on something like that? That would be crazy. Wait, yeah, for Kodas, that would be crazy if you did. Yeah. What if he shot the freaking... Oh my god. What if he shot the freaking Pepega emotes that I have? And then, I don't know, the freaking Big Bird is like the boss or whatever. That would be funny. Hey, I mean, go crazy, you know? Go crazy if you want. But yeah, so I'm going to be learning C# for like 2 weeks. Starting the 26th, and then like the next stream after that will also still be processing C#. And then I guess I could come back to the website. Yeah. It's gonna take me a few weeks to be able to go back to it. Only because I need to work on my streamer bot redeems because I barely have any. And you guys also could have input on it if you guys want. I'm gonna try to make a redeem by the 26th. And you guys will be able to like send in your ideas based on the channel points on Twitch. So yeah. I think that'll be a really good idea, right? Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much my schedule for coding streams. I just want to make them really fun, really interesting each week. And yeah, and hopefully I can create something. By the way, next week I'm not going to be streaming on Wednesday. I'll be streaming on Tuesday due to scheduling conflicts. So I'm going to do a repo collab next week. So yeah, so that's going to be interesting. Honestly, if you wanted to do like a game for me, here's something simpler. Instead of Doom, I recommend like this is definitely something that I want to keep as an aesthetic. If you could make a bullet hell game, like it doesn't have to be complex like this, obviously, but like if you could make like a funny like bullet hell side scroller game, that would be perfect. Instead of Doom. Stream redeem format C. But yeah, so if you guys ever want to make a game out of me, then yeah, no, a bullet hell game would be perfect. Like, you know, with the cool scrolling patterns and like you have to dodge the bullets. Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah. But yeah, so anyways. Really? Batman Doom is the funniest? That's crazy. Alright, anyways. Alright, cool. Let's get back to it. I think we have a good general layout now. Uninstall French localization pack. Oh, monsieur, mes amis. Mamma mia. Wait, no, that's Italian. All right. Anyways, let's get back to it. You know what? I'm actually really curious. I am really curious. Let's look at this tutorial that NeoCities has. Fucking Bootstrap. I remember now, yeah. Fuck, I forgot how to go back in a fucking there you go. Okay, cool. You're missing links? I mean, yeah, that would be true. No, because the thing is, the dossier would have that. But, like, I was thinking, because, like, just for the sake of, like, so people wouldn't have to go, like, out of their way to find it, I was thinking I could just put it somewhere in the homepage. Yeah. So, like, the general information would be, like, over here. There's gonna be, like, a side-scrolling, like, marquee, thing here. So people could, like, see what's going on, blah, blah, blah. And then each of the sites will have something like this going on. Seriously, though, hit me up on Discord or Twitter if you have something to tell me the details of how you want it. That's crazy. If you do, I'm gonna turn it into an Easter egg on the website. Okay, got you. I got you. Alright, cool. Sick. Hold on. There is a tutorial thing that they have, which is probably just gonna be the basics of how to make a NeoCities website or how to do HTML. But honestly, just for the sake of this stream, let's just actually like look into it. Let's just look into it. Whatever. Fuck it. I haven't coded anything at all in like the past like hour, so Static site generators allow developers to make a website that has many properties of dynamic websites, except it generates static HTML, which can then be uploaded into NeoCities. Oh, Next.js! Holy shit! I actually dabbled into that, like literally, like this last semester. I don't know how I forgot most of it, but I know that I did work on Next.js. What the fuck? Next.js is in this shit? Interesting. Are you having fun with NeoCities? Hopefully, I haven't coded shit in the past hour. I've been looking at website examples and seeing like how I can mock up my own like funny little layout. I have not coded shit for like the past hour and 24 minutes. Okay, anyways. How's it going, Ovally? Thanks for suggesting that, by the way. By the way, everybody, shout out to Ovally for suggesting NeoCities. Just put in construction like every website. You can use any major front-end framework with Astro or just HTML. Honestly, I don't think I ever worked with Astro. I think the only I think the only ones I actually worked on in my web dev class last semester, which I completely forgot now, was Next.js, React, and I believe MongoDB for the sake of, you know, just database stuff. I think I still have my old class projects, but I don't want to dox myself because it probably has my name on it somewhere. So, yeah, I did work on that stuff. It's just that, like, all of it just went out of my memory. Okay, yeah, so I know the basics at least of HTML. I'm happy you're enamored with making indie website. I am like, I'm still lost though. Cause like, I'm still trying to figure out how to come up with like the aesthetic that like a lot of these people have. I mean, like, I'll probably know, cause like the thing is, right, I don't want to make a fucking like, my own site was written in raw HTML, but I managed to transition to Astro pretty smoothly, so now it uses Astro. That's interesting. Okay. Let's just do inspect element. I need to see. You remember what is JSON? Yeah, JSON files. Yeah. Oh wait, you guys are. Oh my god, you guys are correct. I didn't even look at this yet. Yeah. So yeah, it is a marquee tag. I don't think I ever used marquee in any like. Yeah, no, I don't think my professor ever talked about marquee because it probably just didn't make sense. Yeah. So placeholder logo to .png. Where's a style sheet? Or is a style sheet just like, or you just cannot view it in inspect element? I rarely went to inspect element. Article. What is this? Oh, okay. So this is their interesting. Okay. Article heading. Marquee is considered deprecated, not recommended by modern web developers. It's cute though. It's cute. What the fuck? It's really cute. I like it. Now, the issue now is that, like, I need to get some fonts, right? So, I'll probably, like, hold on. Defont.com. Let's go to defont.com. Let's get some fonts here. Old school. That is not old school. That is not old school. What the fuck? Oh, there you go. Ooh. Pixel Digivolve. That seems nice. Yeah, but I'm trying to go for something like, hold on. Let's see. I'm trying to go for something like, yeah, similar to the first one that you sent me, Ovally. Like something like this. It kind of looks like Papers, Please. Because I think it would go really well with the with how what was it? With how Soma is a time traveling hitman, right? And you guys know that like fucking you guys know the fucking hacker man? yeah. You guys know like the fucking hacker man person? He has like a retro computer, and then like, you know, he talks about like, yeah, from Kung Fury, getting like time travel type shit, or like Back to the Future, right? Where like the fucking time machine had to be hooked up to like retro computers and shit. Yeah, the power the fucking Nintendo ass power glove. Yeah. So I was thinking of that type of aesthetic, like very retro, but like also kind of sci-fi at the same time. So Y2K looking at yeah. It's deprecated because there was a philosophical shift in HTML that specifically pivoted it towards being semantic rather than stylistic. Man, that fucking sucks. Man, we could have had like there could have been an alternate timeline where the stylistic choice was like chosen over semantics, and we could have gotten funnier and sillier websites. Let's see. The thing is, like, I'm so focused on like trying to get the aesthetic that like I can't even like get myself to actually start the website first, because it's gonna look shit. I'm sure of it. World if there was a center tag. Latest activity on NeoCities. What is this? Oh, you could actually see what everyone else was up to. Interesting. What the fuck is this? Oh my god, what the? Oh wait, these are all the tags. Alright, let's just get the information up and running, okay? Alright, let's go. Let's see if I still remember how to do this. yeah. Let's see if I still remember how to do this. Okay, I'm just kidding. Alright. God, I don't even know where to start now. Let's see. When the wall of tags spawns. Oh man. God, how do I not remember any of this? Wait, what the fuck? Like I just took web dev classes like a whole semester ago. How the fuck do how did I actually forget? What the fuck? What the hell? I actually forgot. What the fuck? What the fuck? Like, I actually forgot. Oh my god. What the hell? MDN is your friend? MDN? Oh. Oh, fuck. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, let me just pull this up in the background while I'm doing this. Like, I actually forgot, man. Oh yeah, so okay, so I know that much at least, like the body and shit, but like I completely forgot what I did for div tags. Oh my god. I actually forgot what I did for div. Wait, hold on. I just realized this person didn't use conventional, like, the nav bar. They didn't use the conventional nav bar. They just, oh, they used a div rather than actually, like, training. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Yeah, no, they used this person used the div rather than the nav bar. Or the, nav, yeah, no, nav items is more of the, yeah, okay, that's interesting. Yeah, no, it took me a minute to realize that. So, like, each of these are... So each of the nav items are... Okay, interesting. Yep, that about .html, main.html. Okay. Now the question is, how did they do that drop shadow? That's interesting. There's so many things. There's so much information. Oh, there's the styles. Not really necessary, but good for accessibility. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, that's the nav one is what I remember. So I was like, what the fuck? Like, fuck. I completely forgot. Alright. Oh, bottom to top, dude. Like, I only ever played bullet hells that are, like, bottom to top. Alright. Let's see what I got. Let's see. Okay. Then let's do... Hold on a second. Wait, there's a main tag? Wait, what the fuck? I just usually... No, you know what's funny is that I usually use div... I use div classes to, and then just style it for however I use, like... Yeah, no, that's interesting. Okay, that's... Yeah, no, what I usually do is just a div and then a main for, like, my main content. Main is also a semantic tag. Ah, okay. So it's not necessary. Okay, fine. I'll just fucking use divs, whatever. I'll just use divs. Break, and then let's do... yeah, okay, yeah, I remember the, yeah, I remember my professor mentioning screen readers, yeah. Yeah, I remember, like, having to do with accessibility, yeah, screen readers and shit, yeah. Feels weird not seeing VS Code for this. I was so used to Dreamweaver that like I just that I just decided to just use Dreamweaver for the sake of like my sanity. At least something familiar, right? Welcome to HQ Rookie. My name is Soma Saika, a hitman who travels through time. If you're reading this, you may have found me through my adventures through various timelines. Alright, cool. Don't be afraid. I am not going to hunt you down. As long as you stay comfy and stay healthy. Nah, wait, that's so cheesy. Don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hunt you down. As I got other bigger fish to fry. Also, now that you are reading this, Ovally, you are short. Alright, cool. She's probably lurking, so she probably won't notice me saying that. But, you know, it's still funny if I added that note. Yeah. Yeah, Ovally, you're short as fuck. You got a small dick. No, I mean, it's whatever you like. I just used to code for web stuff. I mean, yeah, that's fair. No, I'm just saying too, like, you know, like, I usually, alright, time to tell him about that. That's crazy, Bangkok's. Throughout this website, you will find which timelines I appear in, my dossier, and all sorts of neat information about me. Just be sure not to tell anyone. Kek. Alright. Alright, cool. I think that should be good enough information for the for like the homepage, and then I could probably add like some other cool things like below. I just realized I'm such an idiot. Boom. Oh god, wait. Oh no, this looks terrible. Oh wait, no, actually, wait. I'm good. Alright, nice, Alright, sick. Special characters must be escaped. What the fuck? Where did I miss that? Wait, where did I miss the... Hold on. Where did I miss it? Wait. Hold on. Wait. I'm trying to look. No, wait. It looks perfectly fine. What the fuck? What the hell are you blabbering about? Oh! There you go. Alright, sick. Okay, div class navbar. Alright, let's do... Hold on, give me a sec. Okay, dev class nav button. Alright. And then we could start doing the nav bar. Yeah, okay. How do we do this? Okay, let me go look at my Photoshop thing. Index.html. Home. Hey, I remember now. Fuck. Oh my god. Wait. I just remember. I finally remembered how to do this. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I'm so sorry, guys. It took me so long to realize this. What the fuck? Okay. All right. Let's do this. So there's gonna be some spaghetti code, I'm sure of it, but like, you know what? Fuck it. Let's do what I can. Fuck it, we ball. Am I right, guys? Am I right? Dossier. This is about to be some spaghetti code we're doing here, guys. We're doing some spaghetti right now. Don't forget to close the divs. Did I not close the div? Ah, what the fuck? Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh my god. I'm such a fucking idiot. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. What the fuck? Hiya. Okay. Happens to the best of us. You're right. You're right. What else do I have in my layout? Lore. Okay. Lore.html. Broadcasts. Do you guys think do you guys have any other ideas on what I could do for this? Like, I wonder if 5 pages is perfectly fine, you know? Like, I feel like there could be something more. I wonder if Control D would duplicate lines in this ID. I just copy paste them, honestly. I don't really think about it too much. Tags must be paired. What the hell? Did I miss one? Oh fuck. Wait. I fucked up. Oh no, I didn't. I didn't fuck up. Wait. Okay, we're good. Line 23, too many. Oh! How did you spot that, Jawa? What the fuck? Oh shit, okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright. You know, I should have made like a little template thing. That probably would have been so much better. Hold on. I need to look up the spam tag. Should the game be forced into any aspect ratio? Not really, no. Sad girl? Wait, sad GRL generator stays intact. Ang regla ng manok ay itlog. Oh my god. Yo, what's up, onions? How you doing, bro? Oh, sad girl generator. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's see this. Ooh, nice. Oh wow. Wait. Okay, let's see. Oh, and then like, okay, I kind of get it now, Remy. Yeah, no, you want me to look up this like layout builder and then see like how the HTML works? Oh, interesting. Do you want to have full image on background for full page? Yeah, actually, yeah. I mean, I could just like, I think it's just hold on. Let me remember this. Let me like reverse engineer this and then just see what I could do. Hold on. Oh wait, no, there is the. Oh, you're right. It does output raw HTML. What the fuck? Let's see. Like ahref. I don't really like the traditional nav bars. Yeah, no, like out of all the examples that we've seen thus far, I mean, I like this. I like the ones that aren't exactly nav bars. So, this one's really cool. This one's really neat. Yeah, that one's pretty cool. I think though, yeah, no, like this one would be neat. I think I have a special idea for this, for something like this, like a mashup between these two. But wait, hold on. Give me a sec. I need to go to the bathroom real quick. Give me a sec. I'll be back. Yeah, hang on. Alright, I am back. Do you want to have an image on the background or full page? Is this button or div for that cool page? I'm also sticking to it because it's a bit overused to the point that some people on the personal web wrote entire rants about how overused Sad Girl is. Yeah. I'm probably not gonna use the layout builder. No. It is interesting to look at though, just so I could like just so I have like a general idea of how it works, right? But hold on. It's a lot easier to look at if I use inspect element. Ah, there you go. Div ID container. Header area flex. Where's the background? I'm trying to look for it. Hold on. Where did this person add the image? I'm trying to look for it. Like, hold on. Like, the image is not popping up anywhere. Like, it's... Is it in container? Hold on. No, it's not in container. Is it not? Hold on. Yeah, okay, so these are links. Yeah, no, like, I'm trying to look for where they put the background in the code. Background is on CSS for body. What? Wait, what? You could do that? What the fuck? Okay, wait, I didn't know that, my bad. Oh! Interesting. Body BG image variable. Oh! Fucking hell, man! What the fuck? You could... I didn't even know you could do that. You could define... Oh, it's right here. Oh my god. I didn't know that. That's my bad, guys. That is my bad. Holy fuck. All right. Okay, we're gonna worry about that later. Let's just try to get the content going. Let's see. So at least like I'll be able to like by the end of this stream. Is it SCSS? I'm not sure, man. Jawa, I'm not sure. Some of these questions are like flying way over my head. Let's see. All right, let's just get the content in at least, and then I'll be able to add comments later. All right, cool. Let's see. Welcome to okay, so CSS variables are part of the standard and nowadays. All right, cool. I should probably add like a div container just for the sake of it. Where the hell did I... What? Tag must be paired, no start tag. I literally... Fuck it, we're just... Yeah, whatever. Alright. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is gonna be how the buttons work for each of these. I'm gonna style these later. Eventually next time I make a website, or next time I do another website building stream, I'm definitely delaying this a bit. Again, because like I gotta prioritize like the Minecraft data packs and stuff. I thought I was gonna be able to like do all this like in one stream, but I really can't. that's like pressuring myself. So I'm gonna try to actually wait. Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. So roughly in 3 weeks, so the beginning of July 3, I'm gonna do this again. How about that? Yeah, so we're gonna have like 2 like not really filler streams, but like we're gonna have 2 streams that are like in between that aren't related to the website, and then we're gonna do another one like next stream. So yeah. But hey, I mean like don't worry, because we got a lot of really fun stuff coming up. Like for example, I'm doing Just Chatting every Friday, so you guys get to like talk to me and stuff. I want to do more like community related building events. I hope you won't forget everything. I'm gonna try not to. So I want to focus on just coding every Thursday. That's my idea. But yeah, you're right. Like learning different languages at the same time is going to be a pain in the ass. So I'm just taking it step by step, you know? Like, hey, this week HTML and CSS. Next week, Moolang. Next week, C#. And then I'm gonna go back to HTML and CSS to just so I won't forget. Yeah. I think after learning Minecraft data packs, it really depends on whether or not I'll learn this again, or if I'll do better learning it. We'll see how long it'll take me to learn data packs, and then I'll like start scheduling the other stuff coming up. Yeah. I think I remember now, like at least not a lot of it, but like several parts of it now. So all I need to do is actually just start doing it. Alright, I'm just gonna copy paste this real quick. And then let's do a new. No, actually, no, let's not do that. Let's do... Where is it? Let's just copy the body tag, yeah. You know what? Actually, wait. You know what? Let's just focus on making the styling everything first, and before I start making the other web pages. I think that's the better plan. I was thinking of doing the content for other pages and then start it, and then start styling, but I feel like it's going to actually be worse if I do that, and it's better if I were to just like start styling now and then rather than like doing it later. So let's actually do that. Yeah. Set all box at location. Yeah, that's true. Good idea. Yeah. All right, let's do this again. All right, cool. Damn, I forgot how to do classes. Holy fuck. Is it hashtag pound sign? Yeah, no, it's pound sign, right? Damn, how did I forget that? What the fuck? Let's go look up our best friend here. By the way, thank you so much for suggesting me this website, guys. Appreciate it. MDN. Really nice. Let's see. CSS layout. Tools intelligence. Positioning. Oh god, yeah, hang on. Let me actually make like a channel specifically for coding here. Hold on. Let's do creations, yes, coding. Yep. Alright, here we go. Okay, rookies, you guys get to post any coding resources on our website. Not on my website. What the fuck? On my Discord server, right over here in my Discord server. Feel free to join it right now. And if you guys have any coding like related resources, you guys get to actually put them in here in hashtag coding. So yep. All right, let's see. Sample. Oh, flex boxes are interesting. Okay. How does this work? Like, did you ever read clean code? I don't exactly know what you mean by that. Wait, hold on. Is grid layout the thing that like people did like? Oh shit, okay. I know grid layout's not really like, I wouldn't say lazy, but like I think grid layout was like not used a lot anymore. According to my professor at least. It's not like as favored. Oh, it's a book. No, I never read it. Yeah, no. I don't think I ever got assigned that book in college, so. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait. The grid layout. Isn't this like, wait, this is literally what I've. Let me go back to that layout. Hold on. Let me go. Yeah. Wait. Is grid layout used in? No, it's not. Okay. I think this uses Flexbox. Ah. Interesting. Okay. Flexbox is also very powerful. That is true, yeah. don't think I actually ever used Flexbox in anything, so... Clean code? There's no such thing. There's only spaghetti or over abstraction. No in-betweens. That's crazy. Alright. I have an idea. Interesting. Okay. Oh, did I do hashtag when I was supposed to do? Oh my fucking god. Okay, hold on. That's my bad. I was doing ID selector rather than, oh my god, hold on. No, wait, no. It made no difference. Oh, it's dot. Is it dot? Is it dot? Is it actually dot? Am I stupid? Am I actually stupid? Hold on. Is it actually? Wait, hold on. Let me just. Am I dumb or am I dumb? Hold on. It is dot. Fuck. Oh my god. No wonder it wasn't working. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I got it mixed up. Ah. Okay. Anyways. I just want to test this out. I just want to. Okay, so hold on. You know what? Let's try this. Hold on. I just want to see how it works, okay? come it doesn't look right? Hold on. Trying to think. So, is it flex flow? Or is it because I just didn't style it? Hold on. Yeah, I'm trying to make it like to the left of the actual like content. Yeah, I'm just putting it to the left just for now, and then I was gonna style it later. Yeah, similar to like the mock-up. Yeah, but it's like it's not going to the left. I think you should also make the other stuff flex. Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. Maybe that is the main idea, yeah. Make the parent container flex. Fuck, you're right. I didn't actually make a parent container. Hold on. Hold on. I didn't actually make a parent container. Fuck, man. Okay. Div class container. Oh wait, it actually changed. What the fuck? Wait. Oh no, it's maybe not flex end. Hold on. Just baseline. Yeah, no, that's exactly that's exactly the thing. So like yeah, so I have the div class container, and then I have the nav bar as a container as well, as a child. Yeah, no, that's his but it's like Oh, maybe I have to take away the hold on. Let's take this away because I already put it as the for the container over here. Oh, it's row. It's not columns. Oh fuck. My bad. Flex flow. My brain is trying to wrap around this right now. Let's look at Flexbox again. Hold on. Okay, I don't need aligned items then. Oh, I did it! Holy shit! There it is! Oh fuck! It's just really big over here. Yeah, if there's a way to like somehow, oh yeah, no, I could probably set the margin for this. 50? No, 60? Oh, okay, yeah, it is this flex, over here. 20. Horizontal vertical alignment. Interesting, okay. Oh, okay, there it is. Let's see. 1/4 of the available space. The third one has 2 units, so it takes up 2/4 of the available space, or 1/2. Interesting. Okay. Ah, right. Okay, yeah, I forgot about that shit. Thick. Color picker. Let's just do red for now. Huh, wait. What the hell? Why is border not working? Flex is a shorthand for flex grow, flex shrink, flex spaces, and you can use it to let proportions. So you can define nav to occupy 1 block and content to occupy 2. Oh, interesting. Okay. Should main container be width and height 100? You're right. Okay, I should probably do that. Yeah. Huh, that's weird. Oh, there you go. It just took a minute to like, okay. It took a minute to okay. Yeah, I think that's exactly what was happening. It just needed a moment to like it just needed a minute to, you know, main header. background. Black. One. Okay, sick. All right. Okay, we're slowly getting it, guys. Slowly getting it. Yeah. Let's do. Actually, no, let's do yellow instead of red. Something like gold. Maybe orange, actually. Let's do orange. Oh god, ew. Ew, wait, hold on, the background color doesn't look that good. Hold on, ew. There you go. Give me a second. Let's do 20. Let's do 20 pixels. Now the issue is this container right here. Not the body tag. The Hold on, give me a sec, guys. I need to check something. Yo, what's up, Umbrai? How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Instead of using H1, put in formatted div. That's true. For the welcome, right? The hell? Wait, why did it just change? Eh? Eh? Oh! That's my bad. Okay, yeah. Yo, you know what? Actually, I feel like, yeah, it would be better. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you're right. Font size. Let's do like 72 just for now. 72 pixels. Huh, it does look better like that. You're right, yeah. 42 pixels. And then let's do font family. So if you got div in this place, you should put the P content in separate div. Okay, yeah. Got you. But I could just do div for everything, right? Yeah. Okay, we're just gonna use this for now. It doesn't look too good, in my opinion, for the sake of like what I do. So, I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this for now. Yeah. Div. Div class, main content. Oh, wrap it with div. Okay, interesting. All right, cool. Yeah. Well, hang on. Let me just at least get the styling out first, and then like I'll focus on that. Yeah. Div class main slash content. Actually, right. Yeah. We're just gonna do this. Alright, cool. Ah, okay, yeah. I get what you mean now. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, setting it as like a what was it? A parent div for this, just so it's a lot easier to style it, yeah. And then I could put literally anything in this as well, and then it'll be styled anyways. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay. Border. Let's do 10 pixels. Solid. And then the it's gonna be the background color. Oh shit. It didn't actually do what I needed it to do. Hold on. Oh, I should probably put the border somewhere else. Hold on. Yeah, so it has to be about... It's dot main, yeah. There you go. Alright. Okay. Let's mess around with this a little bit. 3 pixels. Better. Gotta go chill for a bit. Good luck with the site. Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright. See, nav bar. Five pixels with 50%. Probably not. No. Let's make it 2 pixels. Yeah, that looks better. .02. Let's do 50. 50%. No. 0.06, maybe 7. 9. Much better. For now, at least. Font family. Set it to Segoed. Just for placeholder. Okay. Just as a placeholder. Background. Let's do. I'll think of like the way to like make the dividers eventually. But yeah, we'll continue that later on. I'm gonna put an image over here eventually, but I just wanted to give some space for like a header or something. So yeah. Interesting. Okay, good. All right. I just noticed I am almost. Oh God, it's 3. Okay. I actually need to get some other work done for like my next long form gaming videos and stuff. So I'm gonna end it off over here. I think we made some pretty steady progress. It's not a lot, obviously, but it's a start, right? We're gonna pick this up in about 2 to 3 weeks, probably 3 weeks. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna try to see if I could like, I don't know if I have the time to be able to even like work on this like off stream, but I will do my best. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get some ideas off stream as well. So in any case, let's go to my just chatting layout real quick. What the hell? Why am I? Hold on, give me a sec, guys. Website lockup. I'm gonna save that real quick. Why am I lagging? What the hell? Hey? Alright, anyways. Okay, cool. So, in any case, guys, I really do appreciate all of you joining in today's stream. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate it. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna be doing just chatting. Yes, we'll be doing some free chat Fridays. We're gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna try to do like more of these free chat Fridays for moving forward as well. So yeah, if you guys want to see my schedule, feel free to check out my free chat room on YouTube. I will always be updating that one. If you guys haven't seen it yet, it's over here. I'll send you a WIP later. That's crazy. Alright, thanks, man. Appreciate it. But yeah, so yeah. If you guys have enjoyed today's stream, please do leave a like, comment, and a subscribe. I'm gonna try to be making, yeah, so I have to get off actually because I do need to work on a lot of things today. Including my work for my boss as well, along with my own scripts and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, I'm sorry, I gotta cut the stream short, guys. Thank you so much for watching though, really do appreciate it. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to learn up and like bulk up on as much like HTML knowledge as possible, because for some reason I completely forgot what I was like learning and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah. In any case, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys joining in today. Next week, again, we're doing Minecraft data packs, and I will be planning out and scheduling my next streams for next week in the coming days. Yeah, I think I should be able to get the schedule out by tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, though. We'll see. But yeah, in any case, guys, thank you so much. It's me, your favorite Hitman Birdman, Soma Saika, your resident bad luck charm. I will see you all in the next one, guys. Thank you. And I will see you all tomorrow for some just chatting. Bye bye, guys. See ya.